Welcome friends. This is the second video of video tutorial how to integrate Flutter, how to integrate Facebook audience network in our into our Flutter application. So in last video we have seen how to integrate banner ad into the application. So if you did not watch last video, I would recommend it. Please watch that video. In that video we have seen how to configure Facebook audience network and how to load banner ad. So we continue this video with how to load interstitial ad. So we have seen this is the development we have done in our last video. We have added a Facebook network audience network library over here. So in this video we continue with how to show interstitial ad. So first of all we take one variable. We take is a boolean variable is interstitial ad load equal to false, right? By default we take one flag to check whether or not interstitial ad is loaded. Once it is loaded, we may we convert it to true. Here I'm going to create one method which will load interstitial ad. Facebook interstitial ad load interstitial ad. We have to call this method, and in this method we have to pass what is a placement ID. Placement ID would be, I have written here, happy interstitial ad. Okay. In function is a listener which take two argument result and value, right? If result equal to interstitial ad is loaded, okay. If result equal to loaded, we change the value of our flag to true. And this function will also use to load interstitial ad after one watch. So second one is interstitial ad is loaded. We have already used loaded. We check is dismissed, okay, and value of intermediate equal to true if it is watch, right? Sorry, invalidate. It is invalidated, so we call it again load interstitial ad, and we again change the value of this interstitial ad equal to false, as it is a one-time watch, right? So another method we are going to create interstitial ad. In this method we will Facebook interstitial add dot so interstitial add. Right? Check the condition. Is interstitial add label equal to true, and else print add not loaded yet. Okay. So first of all, this interstitial add, once the application in each state we call it, so it's going to load add, and whenever we require we have add, and here we are going to add another flat button for load and in place we are going to call so interstitial add method. Let's run the app and check whether or not it's working. It's taking some time. Just like something happening. Now it's assembler debugging. It seems like taking a long time than usual. Finally it is run. Okay, seems we are getting the interstitial add. Cool. Right. Error ID is not working. Interstitial is work perfectly. Right. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in comment below if you're facing any error while implementing the Facebook audience network. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks again.